ain't gotta get them high brands all the time, y'all. Alright, y'all, we finna see what he got going. He done bought every LS part they can sell them. Now, the question is, did he get it tuned right? He ain't got no stickers on it. But he did go to Dedicated Motorsports. They probably tuned it. It should be right there. He bought everything. I mean, he should have. Oh yeah, Dedicated Motorsports. They tuned it. It should shift every gear. It ought to run. You should. Well, I know they ain't finna clean it. Man, what is they be? Man, I'm sick of it. That one another reason I don't like these right there. Oh, that track don't need no cleaned up. How do they? It seem like every 6 passes. Dang, he just like having fun on that tractor. They ain't even really doing nothing wrong. Hey, we got 238 people watching and under 100 likes. You know something ain't right. All y'all just watching, please press a button for me. Pretty please, pretty please. Oh man, that's the one I know a little bit too. We gotta have some fun on that thing. Doing all that. First person get up there. Break loose. Look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Look out racing. It's going down like James Brown. Look out. This is my YouTube channel.
We already
oh, you on there? She on there too?
We all
okay,
there.
What about y'all? You on there? Look out, this is my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow it. Y'all got the power to grow it. You know somebody? Yeah, make sure y'all tell your uncles. I ain't as everybody. We trying to get on. Yeah, let them know. Look out. This is my YouTube channel. What's up with it, man? Not much. He already on there, y'all. He already on there. This is my YouTube channel. Y'all check him out right here, man. He on YouTube and Instagram. Shots by Biggie. You make music videos too or something?
Nah, man.
You think you could do one?
I do photography.
That's it though? He just doing photography, y'all.
I know somebody who can do a video for you.
I need a studio, man. I had made a post that I wanted to go to a studio. I called all the ones, all of them bullshit. I need a studio. I just want to go in there and punch in. Like, I need to go in there, man. I got some lines I'm ready to drop. A mixtape coming soon. I'll probably make a whole mixtape in a day. We got this Hellcat, y'all. Yeah, man. So small block or big block?
Which one?
Let me see.
You gotta have it ready before you ask now. You know how it go.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go find one.
Yeah,
we're gonna find one.
I'm there.
We're gonna find one.
For sure. Are you gonna ask me later?
Yeah. You gonna go with me?
Yeah.
Man, he going with me. Yeah, I got a grudge race. I got
my car.
It don't matter. I got mine.
I got my daily. You know what? I do got my daily.
Yeah,
do
yeah, come on.
I got my daily.
Yeah,
We'll do
come on
something.
with it.
Yeah.
Okay, here go that Cadillac race, y'all. Look at you on my YouTube channel. I gave you a call. Okay. Oh, left side.
I'm on him.
Damn. Go back over here. Oh, he finna do a re-running? Oh, he finna dry hop. Let's see what he got. That's like 10-2. Nah. Ran a 10. Oh, I can't mess with him. I can't mess with him. Y'all going to XRP later? You going to XRP too? Or you just on the event today? Okay. He ran a 10-2, y'all. I got a grudge race later on. Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to? Shout out to my boy Billy Hayes for the 10.